This is a neuron. Neurons are the basic building blocks of the nervous system. These are the dendrites. They are responsible for receiving messages from other neurons and conducting impulses towards the cell body. This is the cell body. It is the cell's life support center. Inside the cell body holds a nucleus, which stores the cell's DNA. Attached to the cell body is the axon. The axon carries messages along. Covering the axon is the myelin sheath. This is fatty tissue that increases neural impulses. Located between the myelin sheath is the node of Ranvier, and inside the myelin sheath are Schwann cells, which produce and maintain myelin. Branching off the axon are the axon terminals. These send messages via the action potential to the following neurons, dendrites. The cycle continues again. A synapse is a structure that allows a neuron to pass a chemical signal to another neuron. This is the presynaptic. This is the postsynaptic, and in between both is a synaptic gap. The presynaptic neuron is the nerve cell that fires a neurotransmitter which are stored in vesicles. A neurotransmitter is a chemical messenger that crosses the synaptic gap between neurons. They are what make us feel what we feel. When the action potential reaches the terminal at the axon's end, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters bind to receptor sites on the receiving neuron after being released by presynaptic neurons across the synaptic gap. Receptor sites are what allow neurotransmitters to pass through, unlocking tiny channels at the receiving site. Electrical charged atoms flow in, exciting the neuron's readiness to fire. Unused atoms in the synaptic gap go through reuptake through transporters, which is when neurotransmitters go back into the presynaptic neuron to be repackaged into vesicles and used again.